power pack out. Buy one, get one, something we don't see every day. 2-pack of 7 1/4. We got the June deals at the Home Depot. Don't forget to hop on this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can pick up to review videos. You guys will miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. To start here, we got an M12 deal. This is, you buy any of the tools on the top, you get a free 2.5 amp hour battery. Those are all garden tools. You got the hatchet, the pruner, $2.99 for the hatchet kit. As you guys do see, you save a lot of money when you go on at the top. $5.99 for the string trimmers. $4.79 for this mower. Is actually in the clearance section, so I don't know exactly if that's the price. Alright, here's another one. Something we don't see every day. Got the biscuit joiner for $2.79 on clearance. You got this angle grinder for $2.24 down from $2.79. And then check this out. You got the 20-volt blower for $136 down from $169. Which is not bad at all. And then we have the 3-pack of 2 amp hour batteries for $99 down from $129. Another 3-pack of batteries for $80 down from $199. That's a pretty good deal as well. Talking about remodels, guys, this is actually a pretty good deal. $9.88 for these matte black cabinet hardware. $30 down from $44. This is the protective boot for the M12 high torque impact wrench for the Milwaukee. Everybody has one, of course. Well, everybody that likes Milwaukee at least. Alright, so $119 for this vacuum. This is an NXT vacuum from the Ridgid. $49.97 for this dust collector. Now, however, I don't think there's a discount on that one. You might want to double check the prices on your Home Depots. Alright, so these are still pretty solid deals. If you guys want to stock up on those batteries, the vacuum is pretty good. And the radial, rear handle circular saw, super saw. Those are all solid deals. You buy 2 of those, get a free starter kit. You got the radial and the super saw, or the radial and the vacuum there at the bottom. Bandsaw as well. Alright, so any of these qualify for that $14.98 price. Including that 2-pack of fastbacks, which are pretty solid deal on that one as well. Tape measure. Now these are $10.97. Your choice here. Any of these, the ink saws are pretty good. They'll mark just about anything, even dirt. Almost dirt, I believe. But yeah, they're pretty good. I've used them, and they held up pretty good. All right, you got all the lights. Or if you purchase one of the lights, you get one of those for free, which is the battery or the top off. So pretty good deals on those. And again, shop early, guys, because the best items do sell out, as you guys did see right there. You got the lights, so all sorts of different types of lights. And then you got the Rover for $79, 350 lumen for $29.87. Another Rover for $99. So those are pretty solid lights. However, I would wait until you get a buy one get one free on those. Alright, talking about buy one get one free, here you go. $2.99 will get you any of those tools. This is the top tier, the best tools. The rocket light's pretty good on that deal. And then here's the lower tier for $1.99. Will get you all those, which is the vacuum's pretty good, and that impact driver, it is brushless. So definitely recommend those. So these are the lower tier with the sander and all that. Here we got some more lower tier. They got the 100 reciprocating saw and that hex impact driver. Yeah, as you can see, most of them are already getting sold out. Alright, so these are pretty good, solid deals. This is a 4 amp hour pack out wall plate for $70. A high output 2-pack of 5 and a 2.5. Those are actually pretty good deals. Those are on clearance. Alright, so buy one get one free. So you buy any of the ones on the left, get a free battery on that one as well. And then these Diablos are new to me. I haven't seen them before. This is a 5-inch discs, sounding discs for $19.88. Your choice here. Or the diamond blades. Or the oscillating tools. Or the awesome blades. So it's a pretty solid deals on these Diablo brands. This is a solid brand. $12.88 for the 2-pack of 7 1/4. Or the reciprocating saw blades. And the other spade bits were at the wrong section, by the way. Probably somebody had them in their hand and they just got the deal, right? So 159, you got 2 batteries, a drill and impact driver, 2 combo kit. Not too bad for the DIY. These are brushless tools. You got the stick vacuum for 199. Tools you can get for free with the upper tier, which is with this deal. These are 2 4-amp-hour batteries and a 2-amp-hour battery for that 199. And then these cables, something I never seen before. This is 1297 for the iPhone. It's an iPhone charger. Again, some more tools that do qualify for that free promotion, including this impact wrench, the hammer drill, the circular saw, the pruning shears, and this brushless airstrike nailer, guys. This one's actually one of the best deals, and there's only 2 left. There it is on that one. And then this is the lower tier, which there's a lot of them because the tools are not the best. But there's still the fans worth it. Oscillating tool, jigsaw, those are pretty good, solid deals. Here's the 70-piece impact driving bit set for $14.97, or the 22-bit set titanium for $14.97. However, personally, I haven't used these types of bits. I did use some of the ones that they first came out with, and I did not like them, but I'm pretty sure these are a little bit better. So anyways, that's it. Just a short video. Not a whole lot of new deals going on, but there's a few good ones still at the stores, and definitely worth checking out. That's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.